There is no cuter way to start a video than like this. Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing more upright styling. I was looking back and I have not styled my hair upright very often on this channel. Most of the time, I tend to style my hair upside down. One, because it's easier to kind of see everything. I can really see how my curl clumps are being organized. Two, I feel like it's way less messy. Things don't drip on me. And three, and most importantly, I am volume challenged. I tend to have hair that does not want volume. It wants to stick to my head and be really flat. So styling upside down really does help that. I don't always shampoo and condition my hair upside down, but typically when I'm filming and y'all are hanging out with me while I'm showing you every minute detail, I do shampoo and condition my hair upside down so that I can like bend over the tub, etc., etc. But in case you missed it, baby bump! I am currently 14 weeks pregnant, and eventually hanging upside down to style my hair is not going to be an option. So I figured before it becomes a necessity, I thought I would play around with upright styling just a little bit more. So I did not show the shampoo, condition, leave-in step of this wash day, but I will show you exactly what I used. I shampooed with the Kristen S Daily Cleansing Shampoo. I really like this product. It's at the drugstore. It's fragrance-free. My only critique is that if you have a very dry hair type, your hair might not love this. I'm oily greasy, so I love it. It's got a bunch of gentle surfactants way up at the top, and it is 100% curly hair friendly. Next up, I went in with the Kristen S Shine Enhancing Conditioner. This is the sister conditioner to the shampoo. I tend to use sister shampoos and conditioners together on a wash day. I don't tend to mix and match my shampoos and conditioners very often, but you totally could if you wanted to. I love this conditioner because, again, it's from the drugstore, it's affordable, it's 100% curly hair approved, no sulfates, silicones, or drying alcohols, and it contains some protein, which can be very difficult to find at the drugstore. It's not the most proteiny conditioner there is, but it's got decent protein, which is lovely and nice. And for my leave-in conditioner, I did go in with a product that does contain quite a bit of protein. This is my favorite leave-in conditioner that packs a protein punch. I've really been loving this for many months now. This is the My Soigné Protein Leave-In. Again, 100% curly hair approved, etc., etc. And I even measured it because it's in a tub. I hate sticking my fingers in there, so I used half a teaspoon of leave-in conditioner. And while I have been playing around with damp styling, meaning that I'm applying my stylers to my hair after I've removed some of the water, my best results, or my favoritist results, tend to be when I apply product on soaking wet hair. I tend to like my hair when I have bigger curl clumps, but there are benefits to damp styling, and if you would like to know what those are, I did make a video about it. Yes, I did. So that is why I have this plastic shower cap on my head. I put this on once I was done shampooing and conditioning my hair, came out, got dressed, and I figured we would do the styling portion together since I wasn't showing you any of what I was doing in the shower. I could have, but last time I filmed in the shower in a swimsuit, I got cold. It was very cold in the shower with a swimsuit while filming. I didn't like it. So today I skipped it. Now I'm using the Perfect Hair Care Towel, which is a microfiber towel. Look at the cool, pretty color. They came out with a new color and I love it. I'm putting that on my shoulders so that I don't get completely soaked. You could totally do this in the shower and not have to worry about this, but we're trying to demo here. So even though I had the plastic shower cap on, I did lose a significant amount of water in my hair while I was getting dressed and set up to film. So I am going to add that water back into my hair a bit. I stole my son's spray bottle from his bathroom, wahaha. Try not to spray, you guys. There we go. All right, and the main reason for putting more water back in my hair is that more water in your hair equals bigger curl clumps. Less water in your hair equals smaller curl clumps. And depending on your desired finished result will determine on how big you want your curl clumps to be. Now we'll be going in with this gel that I have recently been playing around with a bit. I have tried this on damp styling and I really liked it. It smells amazing. It's very affordable. It's got really hard hold. My one critique is that it does contain kind of a lot of glycerin, but I've actually been having better luck now that my hair is really extra super healthy using products that contain glycerin outside the ideal dew point range without ill effect, meaning that my hair doesn't droop, wilt, frizz, all the things due to the glycerin. Full explanation of glycerin and what it does in your hair products up here. Check it out if you want. I'm not measuring my product today because I like living on the edge. Oh, I love that fragrance. Now, as this is a very thick gel, I'm going to make sure that my hands have a lot of water on them before I start to smooth it out. Making sure that the gel is really smooth really does help the application process. You know what? I meant to comb my hair before I got my hands covered in gel. And now my roots are plastered like this. We'll test it. If it doesn't work, it's fine. We'll just share in the learning experience together, the testing of the upright styling. It's funny, you get used to doing your hair a very specific way, and anytime you change your method, it just feels so foreign. And it feels really foreign when you start styling your waves and curls too. Like, it takes a lot of time to get used to scrunching in gel in your hair. You know, like, I was planning on sectioning my hair, brushing the hair away from my scalp to avoid it being completely stuck. And I just completely dropped the ball on that. Oh well. Like, comment, tell me down below, should we continue the upright styling experiments? Oh, another reason to wash and style your hair right side up may be medical. Perhaps you do not have the ability to hang upside down for extended periods of time due to back and neck issues. Maybe you struggle with vertigo. A lot of people have raised that question to me before, or you could be pregnant and don't want to hang upside down. All right, there we go. I can feel that I got just a little bit more gel in this one area because this is where I started scrunching first. Then I got in the rest of my hair. Now I am pulling the hair off the back of my head and scrunching all the way to the root to kind of maybe loosen things, keep it from being super stuck. Another thing about upright styling that's hard to me is that I have to lean back to stay upright, to kind of like swing my hair from side to side to be able to get the gel scrunched in. And I feel like that makes it rub on the towel, even though this is a microfiber towel, which will decrease friction and frizzing. I still feel like it might cause more frizzing. Maybe I can figure out a way to like swing forward without rubbing my hair on my towel. Let me see. That might work. That might work really good. And you may be asking yourself, why on earth does Courtney spend 10 years scrunching her hair? Well, I find that when I take just this little bit of extra time on wash day to make sure that I have thoroughly scrunched my products through my hair, which helps with even distribution and curl enhancement, that tends to lead to wash day longevity. If I don't take this extra time with all the scrunching on wash day, my hair just doesn't tend to last. All right, now I have scrunched my hair until you are sick of seeing it. I'm going to microplop my hair, meaning that I'm just going to give my hair one extra good scrunch to pull the excess water out of my hair and product. I do scrunch my hair until I feel the hair absorb product. So once the hair is absorbed all the product it's going to soak up, I microplop the excess out. And no, I don't find that this removes gel from my hair, because what my hair is soaked up, it's soaked up. And that's all it's going to pull. And it's going to stay there until I shampoo it out, or low poo it out, or co-wash it out. All right, I have microplopped. At this point, you could either air dry or diffuse. I'm going to choose to diffuse my hair because I don't like walking around with hair this wet touching me, and it tends to shorten my dry time significantly. I'm going to diffuse my hair and I will come back to show you the dry results. Alrighty, I diffused my hair to 90% dry. I do that every time because 1, that's as long as I can stand to diffuse my hair for. 2, if I try and diffuse it to 100% dry, it gets really frizzy and it really breaks up all the curl clumps. Not my favorite. 3rd, this kind of goes in with the first one, but that last 10% of dry time usually doubles my diffusing time. So I always diffuse my hair to that 90% dry mark where it's almost dry, but not quite. And then I wander around my house and let my hair finish air drying. And guess what? It's now dry. And the way I can tell is I stick my fingers in, open hand, stick the fingers in, close the fingers. That's the most gentle way to check that your hair is dry. If you feel any coolness or dampness, your hair is not dry. But you can see that this gel gave me a cast. I love this gel. It smells good. Every time I've used it so far, I've gotten a really nice, crunchy cast. Why do you want a gel cast, you may ask? Well, this lends structure and wash day longevity to your hair. And while that crunchy cast isn't cute, there is a simple solution for that. So all you do is you wait until your hair is 100% dry and you scrunch your hair one more time, and that will release the curls from their crunchy prison. You can also do prayer hands to break that gel cast, and really stubborn casts can be broken by clapping them out. So if you don't work from home, a way that you could get this to work for you is to wash and style your hair before you leave for work. And then once you arrive at work, run into the restroom and fluff, scrunch, break the cast once you get to work, because theoretically your hair will have dried, finished air drying on the commute. Now I am going to flip my head upside down and zhuzh the roots a bit. I'm not being as strict with the upright styling as I was the first time I did this video. The first time I filmed this video, I didn't flip my head over at all. This time I'm flipping my head upside down for very short, brief periods of time. Going to try and find my part in the viewfinder and make sure this very stubborn cast is completely scrunched out. I could have gone and grabbed like 3 drops of my favorite hair oil and put them on my hands, and that would have helped get the gel cast to break. I don't know what this hand was doing. It was just hanging out over here. Or I could have gotten just a tiny bit of water and leave-in conditioner on my hands to scrunch the hair and finish breaking that cast. But no worries. I went ahead and got that gel cast to break. Let me turn around and show you the back. Y'all are definitely seeing this before I am. I have not gone into the bathroom and checked out the scrunched out results yet. So comment down below. Does this look better than my original upright styling attempt? It's possible that the different products I used gave the different result. It's not possible. It's really likely that using different products will give your hair different results. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments down below. How does this compare to my normal wash day styling? What do you think? Is there any difference? All right, I sure hope you found this video helpful. That is my whole point with being here on YouTube, is to share my experiences and tips and tricks for caring for wavy curly hair with you guys. So let me know, was this helpful? And I can't wait to see y'all in the next video. I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.